Good morning guys, and in front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select themes and wallpapers, and now click on wallpaper and style. So all you have to do now is to click on change wallpaper and then select the one that you wish to apply as your wallpaper. So let me pick, for example, this picture from my home screen, and here you can scroll and click on lock screen to personalize it also. So here you've got also automatically change wallpaper. Let me preview how it looks. Hopefully it's possible. Okay, actually it's not. But by using one of those wallpapers, you'll be able to see live wallpaper, so it will be like this one. And movement all the time. So let me choose, for example, this one, then tap on apply. And from now on, as you can see, you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this brand new picture. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.